Forrest, can you say popsicle? Can you say popsicle? That's a big word, huh? Can you say popsicle? Ooh. Ugh. Here, Daphne, have a bite of my popsicle. You could tan. No. Lera, lera, lera. What do you think, Daphne?
Great. Can I make it like his? I don't eat it.